Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Here's an American Beech spindle that you saw me whittle out at the end of one video, and then the next day in the garage while it was raining, you saw me make a couple bow drill embers with it. This is actually the piece that I cut this spindle out of. Let's go ahead and use this to fuel our fire today. Those leaves are too damp to ferro rod ignite, so I'm just going to get scrapings off of my spindle. Let's see how that goes. That'll ignite nicely. Have you started carrying a keychain ferro rod? This is a bayite. You just Google Amazon keychain ferro rod and these will come right up. They're just like $15 for a 3-pack. And they are really convenient to have one on you all the time. And since the air is coming this way, let's turn the vent around towards it. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. I'll put you on time lapse. All right, many's the time when I start off a video with one idea in mind, one title in mind, and this one was going to be just the peculiarity of using a bow drill spindle to make scrapings off of and ferro rod ignite. But now that I see what those leaves did to ignite this wet wood, remember now the leaves and the American Beech were straight off the ground. The leaves had moisture in them. And especially the American Beech, it was able to dry out the tinder, dry out the bark of that American Beech, burn through that bark, continue drying out the wood, and get a good fire going. So that amazes me. We'll catch you on the next one.